Good old little girl.
Hey, little boy. I like this one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
That boy?
Yeah, this guy.
He's nice.
Oh. Don't know what he
That's
did.
7-week-old puppies. That's the biggest boy there, huh?
What's his name?
Biggest boy?
I named him Noah.
Did you name him Noah?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Yeah, Noah.
Your name's Noah too?
These two. Yeah, and his last name is Twain.
Is what?
His last name is Twain. I named the girl Princess. Dad, I named the girl Princess.
Okay. How about this one? What's this guy's name?
His name is Cam. His name is Cam. His name is Cam.
Should we name one Bubba?
Yeah.
Let him go, boy.
Roy Jr.
Those two boys.
Chewy.
Yep, these two are boys.